Hi guys, welcome to this new video on SQL on Microsoft SQL Server. In this video, we will be seeing how to apply inner join as well as cross join on Microsoft SQL Server. So firstly, let me show you the two tables that we will be using in this tutorial. First will be the customer table and the second will be the order table from the database that we have, that is PracticeDB. So these are the two tables. First one the customer table and the second one is the order table. Now we will be applying inner join first of all on both of these table. The thing about inner join is whenever you will be applying inner join, you will be getting the number of records in the join equal to the number of records which are in the bigger table. But here firstly you can see that we are going to apply inner join on the ID field of the customer as well as on the customer ID of the order table. So the syntax is such: select star from customer, then we gave a alias name as A for the first table, then we write inner join, then we write the name of the second table, that is DBO orders, as B, then we write on and we write the common field here, so it will be A, that is from the customer, it will be ID equal to B dot customer ID. So this is how the syntax for inner join looks like. So this is the result of the inner join on both the tables. So you can see here that we are getting all the fields from the first table as well as all the fields from the second table too. Now let us do a order by according to the first table's ID so that we can see which ID have asked for how many orders. So here you can see that ID number 1 in the first case, you can see that it is Maria, has around 6 orders from the order table. Now there is one more syntax writing inner join, so that is like select star from DBO customer as A, then DBO order as B, and we directly write here, instead of on condition we can write where A dot ID equals to A dot B dot customer ID, and we just write order by A dot ID again. So this query will give you the exact same result which you got earlier. The syntax differs but the result is same. Start with the cross join. Firstly, let's check how many total rows we have in the customer table and how many total rows we have in the order table. So for that we write a simple query: select count of star from DBO customer and select star count of star from DBO order, which will give us the count of the number of rows in both the table. So you can see in the first table we have 91 rows and in the second table we have 830 rows. Now the result that you will be getting in the cross join will be equal to 91 multiplied by 830 rows. So that many number of rows you will be getting in the cross join. So let's verify it. So select star from DBO customer, that is first table, alias name A, cross join DBO order as B, and here you don't need to write any on condition in the cross join. You can directly write order by A ID. It will automatically cross join. So this is the result of the cross join that you get. So again you can see that we have 91 rows in the first table and 830 rows in the second table. So let's see what is the multiplication of 91 multiplied by 830 with select 91 multiplied by 830. So it is 75,530 rows in total. And if we check the cross join query again, you will get that the total number matches with the result that we got. So this was all about cross join and inner join that I wanted to show you in this video. If you still have any doubts regarding how to apply inner join and cross join on the tables, feel free to write in the comment section below. See you next time. Till then, if you like my work, please do hit the like, share and subscribe button.